Make a great choice today with the 2008 F-450 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights. Inside you'll find keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer, power outlet, power door locks, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
The all-new Daytona Nissan. We make it easier. Easier because 19 acres of 1,000 new Nissans means we have the right vehicle for you. Easy to own because every new Daytona Nissan comes with a lifetime warranty. And easy to service because the state-of-the-art facility and express lane makes servicing any vehicle easier. Easy to enjoy free refreshments and Wi-Fi while the kids play. Waiting is quick and easy. Come check out the all-new Daytona Nissan just under the big flag at the Automall. I-95 at LPGA Boulevard.
Make your move to Daytona Nissan.
At Daytona Nissan, it's easy.